Unfortunately, we are here to talk about yet another reckless and cruel decision by the Trump administration that puts the health and the lives of New Yorkers and families all across America at risk. Late last night, President Trump announced that he would cut off vital subsidies that help make health care affordable to everyday New Yorkers and millions of low-income Americans across the country. His move is unacceptable, it's cruel, and it is unlawful. That is why today we are filing a multi-state lawsuit to protect New Yorkers and all Americans' access to quality, affordable health care. This past summer, the highest court that has yet considered this issue, the Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, granted a motion by our coalition of attorneys general to intervene in a case pending in Washington, House v. Price, to defend these cost-sharing subsidies and the quality, affordable health care they ensure for millions of families across the country. These cost-sharing subsidies are crucial to the functioning of healthcare markets in our state and in every state. These subsidies make healthcare affordable for thousands of New Yorkers and millions of Americans, and we made it clear this summer that we would fight to protect them. And in granting our motion to intervene, the court recognized that they could no longer rely on the Trump administration to provide proper defense for the Affordable Care Act. We are now in a position to defend that. This is an effort simply to blow up the system. We will not allow President Trump to use New York families as political pawns in his dangerous partisan campaign to sabotage our health care system. The subsidies he is ordered to cut are required by the Affordable Care Act, which is still the law of the land. He can't simply refuse to pay them, and we will be in court to defend these subsidies and fight his dangerous decision with everything we've got. So I do have a very simple message for all of the millions of Americans who woke up this morning scared about what the future holds for themselves and their families. We have your back. We will fight for you as long as it takes, and we will never let President Trump's short-sightedness and cruelty win. And our message to the president is equally simple. Once again, we will see you in court. Well, we do anticipate that there will be multiple complaints filed. Today, a complaint is being filed in the Northern District of California. Together, New York, California, Massachusetts, and about at least a dozen other states are going to be in that action. We also lead a coalition of 17 states and the District of Columbia.